Hi, my name's Julio Gonzales and I welcome you to my channel. If you've never been here before, I love to travel to experience new cultures and amazingly delicious foods. This week we explore the Argentinian empanada in a two-part series. First, I'll share with you some of our favorite spots in Buenos Aires to devour those delicious meat-filled creations. And then in part 2, in case you won't be in Argentina in the near future, I'll share with you step by step how to bake them at home yourself. I want all the empanadas. I love empanadas. I couldn't wait to visit Buenos Aires to try all the large variety of empanadas. Fried empanadas, baked empanadas, seafood empanadas, beef empanadas, chicken empanadas, you name it. I was going to try it, and I did. So let me show you some of my favorites. First up, La Cocina, a small, unassuming establishment, but don't let that fool you. They have some of the best empanadas in Buenos Aires. In Argentinian culture, empanadas are a staple of daily life. Empanadas began as a working man's lunch item because of its ability to act as an all-encompassing food item. There's a lot of meat that you can pack inside these delicious and easy-to-carry dough pockets. Next stop, Ponyline. Inside the Four Seasons Hotel, Ponyline has a very cool, sophisticated kind of vibe. In addition to that cool vibe, they also have delicious empanadas. Did I say delicious? I mean delicious empanadas. It's a beef empanada. It tastes like a taco. Like it literally tastes like taco meat. It's really good. Let me try the tomato sauce. I think this is tomato sauce. Oh, that's what you do. You put the tomato sauce on it. Perfect. This is El Banco Rojo. More known for their hamburgers, they do serve up a pretty good empanada. These empanadas contain lamb and pork versus their traditional beef or chicken. In addition to that, they also are deep fried versus baked. Washed down with some cold beer, it hit the spot. All right, get in line. Well, that's what you're gonna have to do for this next amazing spot. Known for their pizza, La Mezzetta also nailed the empanada game. Oh, there's like pieces of garlic. You can see the garlic. Yeah, you can taste the garlic. Love the meat. Meat reminds me of like a Philly cheesesteak, the way they did it. That's just an ode to my old hometown. I'm originally from the outskirts of Philly, outskirts of Philly, born and raised. This next hidden gem is literally hidden. Floridia Atlantico is a basement tavern hidden below a flower shop. And on the list of the 50 best bars in the world, it ranks number 5. Hola. Dos. I mean, we're at number 5 of the 50 best bars in the world. We had to order some fancy cocktails. Shrimp and crab empanada. Look how big this is. I had to use both hands. Oh, hot.
got a flaky outside, warm and gooey inside.
I'm really at a loss for words. It was so good. Last but not least on the empanada tour, we have the one and only Don Julio. Yes, I know Don Julio is best known for their steak, but have you tried their empanadas?
Oh, we got two different kinds?
Yeah. So this is the
pumpkin?
the pumpkin and cheese.
Oh, pumpkin and cheese.
Yeah. And this is the classic beef. Right? So amazing. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. I mean, what else can you expect from Don Julio?
That concludes part 1 of our video for this week. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel or hit that like button. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. You are more than welcome to join us for part 2. For those of you who may not be going to Buenos Aires in the near future, I'll walk you through step by step how to make empanadas at home.